Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money from Depop to Cash App. So guys, this is not directed method. First step guys, you want to send money from Depop to PayPal. After that, what you have to do, open your Depop and select on preference, and from preference click PayPal Connect. After that, open PayPal and click connect this option. After that guys, what you have to do when you connect PayPal, go to Cash App and select your account number here, routing number, account number, and after that click this option account number and click on link your PayPal to Cash App. From here, link PayPal to your Cash App. After that guys, what you have to do, just send money from PayPal to Cash App. The money come from Depop to PayPal and from Depop to Cash App. This is how you can do guys. Just follow these steps. This here you can confirm account number, Cash App account to link your PayPal. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.